In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix the issue of your iPhone not screen recording. When you head to your control center and tap on the screen recording button, then you receive such a notification. This means that your screen recording feature on your iPhone has been disabled. To enable it back, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head on to this option of screen time. Scroll down and select on content and privacy restrictions. In this section, head to this option of content restrictions. You will then scroll onto the screen recording option. Make sure to mark on allow. Your screen recording feature will get enabled on your iPhone. Head to your control center and tap on the screen recording button to start screen recording your iPhone. That's how easy it is to fix screen recording not working on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.